Hey there, Tamir from Fibonaccis-Traders.com here. I hope everyone having a great weekend. In this video I want to go over some ETFs names that I'm closely watching. Some of them, you know it, SMH, IBB, TAN, MJ, Vanguard and XME. So, very interesting video. Before we start, please know that Cyber Monday, Black Friday discount on Fibonacci Traders one-on-one lifetime access mentorship program. We go over all the technical analysis from the basis until you become your own indicator, Fibonacci levels, price action analysis, candlestick analysis, and of course trend lines. So check it out. We have 10% discount and we have more programs up to 30% discount. All this in our Discord, lifetime access. Check it out and welcome to ask me questions if any. So let's get started. SMH is the first name on my list. As we can see, downtrend line still acting as a strong resistance since January 22 all the way to August 22, and now during November this month we have a doji of a trend line, and we know that doji is the most significant signal that we have in candlestick analysis for a possible trend reversal, and in combination with Fibonacci level and a trend line, doji inside day. Now we need to see if the 212 can hold. Failing to hold, we have this gap to the downside that will get filled. It's a matter of time, and we know that more than 80% of all gaps will get filled throughout time. So pay attention to the 212 area and to this gap to the downside. Next is IBB. Biotech ETF. We can see clearly that 135 is a very strong resistance for the bulls throughout January, August, and now November 22. 135 is the level that I'm looking at to go long above it. Failing to do so, 1 or 2 weeks, bulls might give up and we will see trend reversal to the downside. And if we look, IBB, this is the daily, 130 is the next level of support, and all these levels to the downside. And if IBB bulls will actually be able to break up above and close at least 1 week above the 135, these are the levels that we are looking to the upside. And of course everything here we are saying is for educational purposes only and not investing or trading of any kind. So TAN is next, the solar ETF, strong downtrend line since February and January of 2021, and we see that throughout August and September this year, strong resistance to the point, and now getting very close on this trend line again at the 83 area. So the combination of trend line, Fibonacci level and candlestick analysis can give us a clear identification what might be next on price action, and if next week or the next after it price action will get rejected again and again. Also here, bulls might give up on this name and we start see trend reversal to the downside. And if we look on the daily, we can see that this name, this ETF, have a very big gap over the 68. So pay attention. If you're long, pay attention. If you're not long, I would wait for a break, at least a week break, and close above this trend line to the upside. MJ, another interesting ETF, cannabis ETF, we had a bull run since the 450 area all the way towards the 6, and now we have this trend line that goes all the way back to June of 2021, to the penny November 21, and also here March 22. Now let's see if bulls can finally break up above this trend line and go over the 610. So for me, going long will be the combination weekly close above the trend line and above the 610, and managing the risk to the upside and to the downside according to the Fibonacci levels. Vanguard Real Estate ETF VNQ, we can see that the 87, 70, 88 area is a very important area to close above it, because if we look left, we can see it was a very important support level and resistance level throughout 2019, 2021, and also this year. So for me, I'm waiting for a close above the 88, weekly close above it, and then I will go long. And again, this is not a recommendation for trading or investing of any kind, educational purposes only. Always do your own due diligence. Never follow blindly anyone, not on YouTube, not on Twitter, not on any Facebook, WhatsApp or Telegram group. Always know what you are doing and what you're getting in. XME, another interesting metal mining ETF. I want to see a close above the 54. We do have here a double bottom of this trend line, and as you can see, this trend line that started over here is holding to the penny all the lows throughout 2021, 2022, and now the last low was earlier this year, September, up towards the 54 area. 54 close, a weak close above the 54 will give a signal that this double bottom is truly validate, and we can get a run towards the 66.5. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and stay tuned, and for the next video that will come Sunday evening, my top stocks to watch. So turn on the bell, go to my Twitter account. This is my Twitter account. Make sure you follow every day, daily intraday ideas, daily swing, long, short ideas, and we have this chart request weekend. So go in my Twitter account, check this, and comment below your stock, and I will include it to my top stocks to watch for next video. And until then, thank you very much for watching and enjoy the rest of your weekend.